Here at 3dshoes.com, we got the opportunity to try some revolutionary footwear technology employed by the folks at Wiivv'S. Wiivv'S is currently at the forefront of the 3D shoe revolution and leading the charge with its custom 3D printed insoles. CEO Shamil Hargovan was featured in Forbes 30 Under 30, and the company's Kickstarter campaign was the most funded 3D printed product ever on the crowdfunding platform. It's clear that this company really has some momentum going. At first it appeared a bit intimidating, but the process was much easier than anticipated. To get started, download the Wiivv'S app. You will also need a blank sheet of computer paper. Follow the instructions by taking a few quick photos, that the app walks you through with a voice command. Pick your style and check out. Your insoles will come in around 5 business days. The process so easy it was almost too good to be true. Wiivv'S custom insoles run for $89, far less than going to a podiatrist. Going to see a doctor for custom insoles generally runs for $300-600 and can take around 40 days to receive. With Wiivv'S you get custom insoles that arrive in just a week and they are extremely well made, with your name personalized on both sides of the sole. The product is truly excellent as well, very high quality, great packaging. You will notice an immediate difference in performance. It does take a while to your feet used to the Wiivv'S insoles, which is indicative of how generic mass-produced shoes really are. It is very hard to go back once you try them. Not only will Wiivv'S 3D printed products change footwear, its business model is disruptive as well. I wouldn't underestimate the power of inventory reduction in the supply chain. What it does for the business model of companies ultimately, to be able to move from cash upfront inventory model to an on-demand model, that significantly reduces waste and also ensures customer experience is that much better it is experience period. Customers are seeking out better experiences and the moment they are getting them with custom products, Hargovan told 3dshoes.com. It is just a matter of time that a major manufacturer steps up and partners with Wiivv'S to deliver custom insoles directly embedded in the footwear. Previously, Nike offered custom shoes but it was limited to style, color. Wiivv'S is without a doubt leading the footwear revolution that is 3D. Join the movement and order your own custom insoles from Wiivv'S.